Hello and welcome to Hemisphere Cars. I'm your host, Juan Cobas. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy this video, so let's get to it. Yesterday I went to get in my Challenger, my 2023 Challenger, and I pressed the button to unlock the door, and it wouldn't unlock. I tried it a few times, then I pressed the button on the door, and I was able to open it. Otherwise I would have had to use the key. So it needs a new battery, and if you're familiar with the Dodge Challengers from 2015 to 2023, you can start the car even if the battery's dead. You just push this against the start button. So let's see here. So you have to remove the key. So there's this switch here. You just slide it there. And then you see two slots. Well, this slot is for the key, so don't use that. Put the key in there and just open it up gently with the key. It's very easy. Might be a little sticky the first time. And then you see the battery. Okay, the battery has is face down, so the positive sign in the information is face down. Let's see. That popped out. And you can see it's a Sony 2032 that was currently in there. I don't know if it was changed at one time or not, but yeah, my vehicle's a 2023 and it was built early in the production of that year. So let's get another battery and put it in. So here's another Sony 2032 battery. It should be new. Just put that in and put it in face down. That's basically what I would say. Push it against the spring here a little bit. Oops. Goes right in. Not a problem. Then you just get the rest of the fob. Place it on there. And there you go. The key will slip in there. And you're ready to start your vehicle again. Simple as that. You don't need a screwdriver or any other tool. The key itself is the tool. If for some reason you don't have a key, and somehow you have the key fob and no key, well, you could use a screwdriver, of course, and just put it down there and click, turn it, and follow the procedure. Hope this helps you out. Thanks for watching Hemisphere Cars. Please subscribe. Hemisphere Cars, over and out.